Hello kids, how are you? Great! So I am your teacher and let's start our lesson. Our lesson is all about word opposite. Let's start. You know what is the opposite of black? No. You know, the opposite word of black is white. What is the opposite of clean? It's dirty. And what is the opposite of heavy? It's light. You know what is the opposite of happy? It's sad. And what is the opposite of beautiful? It's ugly. तो बच्चों, opposite का जो मीनिंग होता है वो मुतज़ाद होता है. यदि एक वर्ड है ब्लैक और उसका जो ऑपोजिट होगा वो ऑब्वियसली वाइट होगा. जैसे एक वर्ड होगा लॉन्ग और उसका जो ऑपोजिट होगा मुतज़ाद वर्ड होगा वो शॉर्ट होगा. So kids, your today's homework is find out opposite words and write down in your copies and practice as much as you can. So see you, bye bye.